What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can invest your first $1,000 in the US stock market. Before I get started, here are some things that you should bear in mind before you start investing in stocks. 1. Be sure to have some emergency fund tucked away. 2. Make sure it's not money that you're going to need in the short term. 3. Be sure that you educate yourself on investing and know what you're investing in. So for this video, I'm going to be investing in Apple stock, Palantir stock, Coca-Cola stock, and an index fund called VTI. This is a Vanguard ETF which tracks the total stock market. Let's get right into it. You can use Yahoo Finance to help you do your research on stocks to see the company financials as well as ratios such as the PE ratio, the EPS, the dividend yield, the forward dividend yield. All these are subject by themselves, so I'm going to try and cover them in other videos. I also use tradingview.com to do a technical analysis to look for an entry point on a stock when I'm looking to buy. The first company I'm going to invest in is Palantir. Ticker symbol PLTR. So I'm going to be trying to invest that $1,000 as even as possible. So I'm going to try and go 250 where possible. TD Ameritrade doesn't allow me to purchase fractional shares, so I won't be able to do the exact $250 per investment. One thing to ensure when you're buying when the market is down and not when it is up. When it's going up, it looks nice and it is fun, but that is not the best time to buy. Sometimes you might buy a stock when it's going up and it continue up, but sometimes when you buy it when it's going up, then it just reverse on you. Likewise, when it's going down, it can continue to go down, but it's always better to buy low and sell high. So for Palantir, I'm going to be putting in a $250 at $24 per share. If you don't know how to open an account, you can follow my video. I'll leave the link in the description below, as well as I'll leave a card at the end of this video. So the first stock I'm going to be investing is called Palantir Technologies with the ticker symbol PLTR. So it's currently trading at $24.33 per share. So if I go 10 shares, I'm going to get about, so if I buy about 10 shares, that will be about $243. So let's enter 10 for quantity, no commissions. Now the second one is Apple. Apple is currently trading at $122 per share, 53 cents. So I can get about 2 shares of Apple. So let's go stocks, trade, stocks on ETF, AAPL. I'm gonna use the current price as 122.47 and I'm going for 2 shares, so that will take me to $244, approximately $245. Review order. So we have gone approximately $290 thus far. So now let's look for VTI. This stands for Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. Currently the price is at 202.49, so we can only get approximately 2 full shares of this. These investments, I'm looking to hold them for a really long time, so the price that I pay now doesn't really matter because I'm investing on a long-term basis. I'm not saying to go and buy these stocks. If you like them, then fine. This is not a recommendation for you to go and buy any investment you see me making these videos. So now look up VTI. So I'm gonna put in an order price at 202. I'm going to be buying 2 shares instead of 3, so I have some money left over so I can do a bid for Coca-Cola as well. So the total investment so far would have been approximately $893, so I have $107 to invest. So the last company I'm going to be investing in is Coca-Cola. So let's search for Coca-Cola, ticker symbol is KO. 2 shares, and I said I'm going to be bidding at $48.26. So I just realized I forget to change the order types from the default. if the order isn't executed today, then it will get cancelled and I have to go back and re-enter those orders. So I'm going to update them. I try to keep investing as simple as possible. Some people complicate it, but I keep it really simple. I look for companies that will be around for a long time. They are serving many people and it's hard for them to go bankrupt.